Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a SEMO Wax Melts haul, and this is her card. So I did order from her last ready to ship that she had, and I grabbed a few things. A lot of her scents, I'm just kind of trying her out, you know, so usually when I do that, I kind of manage to grab things that sound interesting to me, or I just kind of look at the list. They're not necessarily things I need, but anyways, let's just get into it. So the first thing I have here, she did some pies. So this is called, Star Strangled Star Spangled Strawberry Pie, and she did these sweet pie shapes. I've kind of been into strawberry bakery scents lately, and she did use a really nice strawberry oil for this. I'm mostly getting the strawberry pretty strongly. It is really nice. I like this a lot. One thing I was going to say also too is a lot of the oils that she uses in her wax, I feel like are things that my nose is enjoying. So I went ahead and got the All-American Apple Pie, and we'll talk about that when I get to the oils that I really like. But All-American Apple Pie, I don't love apple scents, but I do like a good apple bakery. So this one smells really good too. This is really nice. And I love the heart that she has in the middle of the pie. This one's really good. Really, really good. It's not like your standard, I don't know, it just smells different than a regular apple pie to me. Sometimes apple pies start to smell really generic to me. That one smells a little different, so I like that. The next one I grabbed is Radiant Red Maple Type, and I'd heard about this in the Bath and Body Works community at some point, and I know people really liked it. I had never tried it, so I was telling my friend Leanne, I was like, I really want to go to Bath and Body Works and just buy one candle just for the hell of it, because I never burn candles. But I was like, just watching her light up her candles and whatnot. I'm talking about Southern Comfort, by the way. If you don't follow her or watch her YouTube, you should definitely go ahead and do that. Oh, this one smells really good. I don't even know how to describe this, but it doesn't smell like a lot of apple going on in there. Oh, okay. That one's really good. If you've never tried Radiant Red Maple, that's really, really good. I don't quite know how to describe it, but if you don't like apple scents and you kind of want to slide into apple scents a little bit, this one would be nice. It's kind of more of a, how do I describe it? It's just a pretty scent. It's kind of like that Vermont, is it Vermont? What is it? Honey Vermont Apple? I don't know. I'm forgetting right now. I have another blend from another vendor that's similar to that, and I like that one as well. So, by the way, if you're not following me over on Instagram, I'm having so much fun over on Instagram right now. So if you want to follow me, I put my link usually at the top of my videos now, because I'm trying to get people kind of over there, because I kind of left it just kind of sitting there, and now I'm much more active. So if you want to follow me and see what I'm doing over there, I do an Instagram picks my melts kind of thing. I don't know, I'm having a lot of fun with that. So anyways, Downy April Fresh Type is the next one I picked up. I mean, this is standard. I just picked this up just to try it, really. Even though I probably have had this scent a bazillion times, but I just decided since I was ordering. And that is Laundry. That's surprising, but the washboards. But you know, these could be shutters or washboards, honestly. You just cut these little legs off and they could be shutters. But super cute anyways. All right, the next one I have is Rise and Shine, and let me see if I can find the description for that. It's a blend of blackberry jam butter cookies, world's best coffee, and cake batter ice cream. And I was like, yes, I am there for that. I love blackberry jam butter cookies, I love coffee, and I love cake batter ice cream. Okay, so this one is very light coffee. It's more about the blackberry jam butter cookies and cake batter ice cream for me. I smell just the smallest hint of coffee. Mostly blackberry jam butter cookies and a bakery scent. So light on the coffee. I grabbed, I don't know why I was wanting to try this. It just sounded good. Cinnamon Butter Twinkies. Doesn't that sound I don't know. It sounds like taking a Twinkie and putting some cinnamon butter over top. It sounds like a heart attack actually in a bag, but this one is actually really good. This one is, it's kind of doughy. I feel like I'm smelling like a dough. It's got cinnamon. It's got a doughy scent. It's got the sweetness. That one smells really good. I kind of took a chance on that one because I'm not like a heavy cinnamon person, but it's not bad on the cinnamon is what I mean. So she had, just randomly, I saw this. This is a sugar cookie, marshmallow, and birthday cake. It was a brittle bag, so I just decided to grab that. I figured if anything, it could be a good blender. And this one is, I mean, it's your standard, I mean, I think a lot of people make this kind of blend. This is kind of like just a standard bakery blender scent. Okay, the next thing I grabbed is a sticky Rice Krispies. I've been all about the bakery blends. I mean, I still like my fresh and laundry and ocean air and all that. But sometimes, oh, that one smells really good. Sometimes you just want to, you know, have some bakery. I think it's like a marshmallow fluff cream or something, but you really can smell that in this blend. So there is that. Next I have Sandbar, and Sandbar is a blend of beechwood, ocean mist, and vanilla sandalwood. I feel like I've smelled this somewhere before. It almost kind of has a cologne-y, but I have a feeling that's more of the beechwood and the vanilla sandalwood mixing. You get a nice ocean mist. This one's really nice. I feel like this is probably a single oil. It just, I don't know, it just kind of feels like that, but I really like that one. That one's a really nice one. The next one I have is Birthday Smoothie, and I'm not even gonna lie, when I saw this, this is one that wasn't on my list, but I saw it on the site, and I saw that the teapots had these little, isn't that so silly? I saw those and I was like, oh my gosh, that teapot is freaking adorable. And I was like, you know, birthday smoothie sounds like something I would like anyway, so let's just try it. And it is. It's basically like a birthday cake with a smoothie, like smoothness of a smoothie. You know, kind of that creaminess that comes with a smoothie. So that's what that one smells like. Really nice. The next one, I had to grab another Strawberry Lovers Noel. I got this in my last order and I was just loving it. So, or I think, did I get that one? Oh, maybe, no, maybe this one is new to me. Okay, I'm getting confused. Strawberry Lovers Noel is 3 strawberry scents. Sweet strawberry, strawberry jam, and fresh picked strawberry with vanilla bean Noel. So this one's really pretty. It's definitely like a strawberry lover's dream. It's, I think for me, the strawberry, like the fresh picked strawberry is the one that stands out the most. But maybe it's just because it's the one I'm most familiar with. It's not that heavy on vanilla bean Noel, but it's very good. The next one, okay, this is the one I wanted to talk about with the oil. So this is Zucchini Supreme. And honestly, I have not had a zucchini like this in a while, and I was so excited to smell this. I don't know why, something about this zucchini, it's more of the spicy zucchini. So in the wax world, there's different zucchinis. There's like a spicy zucchini, there's a creamy zucchini, there's a dry zucchini. Let's see, is there any other zucchinis? I'm trying to think. I'm sure there is, but this one is a very spicy zucchini. I haven't had this oil in such a long time. Oh, but I missed it. I love this one. This one is really good. I'm glad to see that she's having more of the spicy zucchini. You don't smell that a lot anymore, or at least I haven't had a spicy zucchini in a while. Okay, so one of the samples I got was this. You know, it looks like one of those bows you put on at Christmas time, like the ones you buy in a big bag, but it also could be like something else too, but that's just kind of what it looks like to me. This is Mac Apple Marshmallow Fireside. Okay, so, you know, I think my aversion to apples is mostly Mac Apple. Like, I think I'm just not liking Mac Apple because I can smell it pretty strongly in here. And then the Marshmallow Fireside, like, mixed in with it, kind of tones it down a little bit, but it's not bad. Just for me, for Mac Apple, for whatever reason, is not, like, my favorite. Okay, I did grab Wildberry Smoothie. I do like a good Wildberry scent, so I thought I would try this one. I love her. I'm pretty sure I've showed you guys this before, but I really like her labeling. I think it's cute. Cute branding. Yeah, this is really nice. This is another oil that I think is really nice. It reminds me of VCS a little bit with that Wildberry. I'm trying to remember what blends VCS has that has the Wildberry scent in it, but she's got a few. And of course I can't remember them. Oh, this is the one that I wanted to grab another one of because I loved the first one so much. Strawberry jam and vanilla sugar cookie dough. This one just smelled really amazing. This one, I don't know why, it struck a chord with me. But this one, you know, I'm probably going to warm this sooner versus later since I have another one that's kind of been sitting for a few weeks. So probably just going to go for that one. Let's see. The next one I have is Cruise Ship, and this is house blend of ocean mist and raspberry jam. That just sounded interesting to me. That one's really pretty. Raspberry and ocean mist actually go really good together, or like ocean scents. It's kind of like a fruity, it kind of reminds me, you know what it reminds me of? Kind of like a Jaws blend, but I don't think Jaws has any raspberry blends. You know, it's like apple, or it's the strawberry jam, cotton candy, pink sugar, like, you know, all the mixes she does. It kind of reminds me of that with raspberry. That's actually really pretty. I like that. Okay, I guess I grabbed 2 of the Star Spangled Strawberry Pies. And then I did grab another Rise and Shine, which we've already talked about. And then, so I have April Fresh Type as a sample. So I think, let's see, I feel like I've had April Fresh from her. Yeah, definitely laundry scent. And then I got another sandbar, which I will send to a friend since I already have that one in my stash here. Okay, so that is it. My messy little, like, I don't know, I just throw them down. I don't have any rhyme or reason here, so. All right, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not checked out SEMO, I think she has restocks or tries to have them every couple of weeks. Join her Facebook group. That's the best place to get information, and she lists, like, her, what am I trying to say? That's where she lists the scents that she has poured and things that will be available. Also, too, beforehand, if you can, try to go on her site because she will have leftover things like the day before she shuts the site down, and you can kind of make your list from there. Because when I went on for the restock, I kept finding things that I hadn't seen before, and it took a little time to go in and look and see what they were, but I would suggest if you're going to order and you think you might want something she's already got on the site, I would write it down on your list and add it when you go into the ready to ship. Okay, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate it. And leave any comments down below. You guys know I love talking to you guys. I am a little bit behind on comments, but I do try to go in and like occasionally go like catch up. So anyways, okay, I will talk to you guys soon, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye, guys.